Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the NHD website builder. First, log into your NHD account and locate the website builder link. You will then be prompted to start a new project, where you'll enter your project title and select your project category. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which provides access to all the essential tools for building your site. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth building experience. Now, let's dive into creating your website's content. Navigate to the Pages tab to add new pages, such as your process paper or annotated bibliography. The builder features an intuitive drag-and-drop system, allowing you to easily place text boxes, images, and videos onto your pages. Remember to carefully review all NHD contest rules regarding content limits and types to ensure compliance. Personalizing your website's appearance is simple with the NHD Builder. Explore the available themes and layouts to find one that best suits your project's topic. You can then customize elements like fonts, colors, and background images to create a visually appealing and cohesive site. Always use the preview function to see how your changes look to visitors, ensuring everything is just right. Before publishing, conduct a thorough final review of your entire website. Double-check all text for any grammatical errors or factual inaccuracies. Verify that all embedded media, such as videos and images, load properly, and that all external links are functional. Once you are confident that your site meets all requirements and is polished, you can proceed to publish it, making your project live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.